Ooh. Lincoln Electric, baby, since 1917. What's going on, Welding family? We're here at the Lincoln Electric facility here in Houston, Texas. I'm excited to be here. I'm here for 2 or 3 reasons. One, to do some TIG welding, some stick welding, and some MIG welding on some plate and some pipe, just to run some demos on the machine. Let's go over here, let's talk to Landon Goldstein, and then we're gonna see how we're gonna go about these machines, man. I'm ready, let's do it. Landon Goldstein, brother. How you doing, man? Nice to meet you, man. Oh, man, there's a lot of nice machines here, man. Again, this is our first time ever being here. It's an honor to be here, brother. Thank you for the opportunity here, bro. Really appreciate it. Here we got the Aspect 375. We got the PowerWave 350 here, and we got the Power MIG 260 right here. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go straight back to this Aspect 375. Yes, and I wanna try it out, man. I want you to go in detail on the credentials of this machine, what's its capabilities, and I'm gonna run some aluminum and run some T-joints on aluminum and mild steel, and then we'll go to the next machine and the next machine. Are you down for that, man? Let's do it, I'm down. All right, Landon, we're back here with the Aspect 375, man. I'm gonna run some TIG and stick with aluminum, mild steel, and then stick on a T-joint. What is this machine capable of, man? You know, go over it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so what you got here, this is our Aspect 375. It's a 375 amp machine.
Okay.
Basically, I mean, it looks a little daunting on the front end, but really all you gotta worry about right here are your 4 controls.
Okay.
So what you got right now, you got AC polarity.
Sweet.
You switch that, now you got DC straight.
That's simple.
Yes, sir. You come down here. This is your touch start.
Okay.
Your high frequency, and then depending on what stick mode you want to do. So we got soft, 7018, or
nice.
crisp for like your 6010s.
Beautiful.
Right?
Yeah.
So come down here, and then here's some your 2-step, 4-step controls and whatnot. And then the last one you're going to see down here is only going to be active whenever you're in the AC polarity. So when you go to that, you can now control your auto balancing and kind of adjust your AC sine wave.
Okay.
Basically.
Nice, brother.
So,
nice.
I mean, you want to jump into it?
Yeah, man. I'm actually. Let's do some aluminum first.
Okay.
So let's set it up on aluminum.
Cool.
So boom. So right, essentially, you were at first at what mode? You were at just regular.
Yeah. So right now it was off.
It was off.
Yeah. So we're just gonna leave it at 74.
Okay.
The basics on your balancing
okay.
and electropositive and whatnot. So I'm just gonna throw it on auto balance.
Okay.
It's gonna decide for you. So we'll turn that on, and then other than that, we're just gonna come over here and go to your amperage, right?
Yeah.
So this is kind of going through all your post.
Your post flow. Yeah.
Yeah. Pre-flow.
Pre-flow.
So your quarter second pre-flow. Starting amperage is at 20 right now. I'm gonna kick your what do you want your peak at 130?
Yeah, about one. No, I have it about 125, 135. But I mean, that's a good.
Cool. We'll start right there, and then pretty much from there we're good to go.
Sweet, man. I like this, man. Sweet. Okay, let's go. Man, this machine runs smooth. All right, Len, that was fun, bro. I had a good time on that one. Now we're here at the PowerWave 350. Now, this, I've heard that it can save your settings. So go into details on exactly what this capable is.
Yes, sir. So this is our PowerWave S350 with a dual power feed, dual 84.
Nice.
So basically what this is, you got 2 wires on here, and it's got 8 different settings you can save your modes on here. So we got, I mean, tons of different weld modes.
Nice.
You can do anything on this machine. You can do stick, TIG, MIG.
Beautiful.
And with the advanced module, you can even do AC TIG. So
Ooh.
get into aluminum with it. I mean, this is your everything machine, Cadillac, if you will.
Nice.
So basically, if you come in here, you got all these different weld modes. To say right now, We're on steel pulse. I want to save that to weld mode 1, right?
Yeah.
So just like your radio presets, you hold that guy in, it's going to let you know, good to go. Memory 1's saved. So if I come over here, I got somebody messing around my machine.
Yeah.
I don't know what mode I was on. Say they switched up all my amperages, my trim, whatnot.
Exactly.
I want to come back. I know I had 1. Comes back to my exact settings.
Exactly. So yeah, again, Weld 2 family, a lot of people run differently. Some people run hotter, some people run colder. So say I'm working morning shift, a guy's working night shift, and I'm running, MIG at 19.5 volts and 195 on the wire speed, but he runs like at 17.5 volts and 185 on the wire speed. So I can save my settings. Say I'm on 3, I can save it. And the guy at nights can be like, well, I was on 2, have my settings saved on there as well. Man, so that's saves a lot of time, bro.
Yeah, man. If you got multiple operators or multiple guys in one booth on one machine,
okay.
I mean, this is a machine for you. If you're gonna be running around different weld modes, different processes, this
nice.
is what you wanna run with.
A question, Lenny. Do we have to switch polarities or?
No, so that's gonna do everything on its own.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
so, that's sweet, that's sweet. So there's no switching, you just literally, oh, nice.
No, this guy will take care of everything for you internally.
Wow. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just run some Flux Core 3F. What size plate is this right here? About 3/8?
Yeah, about 3/8.
3/8 plate. Run some uphill, some Flux Core 045, and then we'll go from there. We'll go on the next machine. All right, right now I'm just going side to side. We're on some 045, some new Lincoln Electric flux core wire that just came out, which is running pretty smooth. I like it. All right, Weld 2 family, man, that power wave ran like butter. Okay, so now we're here at the last machine at the Power MIG 260. Now, Landon, let's talk about this, man. I've heard this is some gravy MIG welding, and it has a lot of adjustables in here, technology-wise. So, talk about it, brother.
Yes, sir. This is one of our newest machines. It's the Power MIG 260. It's a pretty cool machine, 260 amp MIG welder.
Nice.
The cool thing about this machine is you can run a push-pull gun off of this machine, and all you need is just the gun. So,
oh, sweet.
If you're gonna do aluminum welding, MIG welding with steel, either one, it'll run them both, and it'll also run the spool gun as well.
Nice,
so,
nice.
Kind of the new thing on this one, we kind of adapted this from our 210 MP. We got that little display in there, 7-inch display. Kind of come in here, you select your process, so it gives you all your layouts as far as what you want to run, all the different processes for MIG, flux core, whatnot. So I'm just gonna go with standard MIG, and then once you kind of come in here, it gives you the settings, right? So the cool thing about this is what we have is our arc effects. So now as you actually change your wire feed speed or your voltage, you can kind of see right here, it actually shows you what your weld's gonna look like. So
right there?
See how it's going
that is
concave now as my voltage
sick,
goes up.
dude.
And you can see as my wire feed speed increases, that weld bead actually gets wider or whatnot.
Nice.
It's kind of cool to show you what you're doing, and it really helps you to show what your wire feed speed and what your voltage are actually doing to that weld.
Exactly. It's showing essentially what they want to see before they even try to do that. That's great. Well, you know what? I'm gonna run a MIG route down here on some pipe, bro, on this and see how it runs, and then we'll go from where. But I do appreciate your time, man. This has been amazing, brother.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Like it. Wait, no, I have to go this side. Turn this way. Yeah, okay. Alrighty, brother.
Yeah, man.
I appreciate you, man.
Hey, no problem. Glad you guys can make it out.
The facility's nice, dude. These machines run smooth. I had fun.
Cool,
I had a lot of fun. So,
glad you guys try them out. It's awesome.
Yeah, man. This we'll probably be back again some other time, bro. But at the end of the day, brother, it's been a privilege, been an honor just to come down here and just. You know, I know you're a busy man. I know you got things to do. No. But just to come down here and do this, it's been awesome, man.
It's been cool, man.
Appreciate you, man. Appreciate Hold on, before we leave, man, what is this gaming system over here? You didn't show me this when you got
that's
here, bro.
that's our Vertex, man. I was gonna show you that. I didn't know if we'd have time.
I got time. I want to see what it is. What is this?
So this is our Vertex 360. Basically what this is, I mean, it's a virtual reality welder, man. So you can do stick, TIG, MIG, every process on this machine, but there's no sparks, nothing like that. It's all done inside of virtual reality.
Sweet.
Let me plug you in here. We can show you. So same thing, man, but it's got, I mean, you got all these different pipes, or you got plate on pipe, you got pipe joints, you got T joints. So we'll just throw it on a lap. That's what we got here now. You can go, like I said, you can do here, you got MIG, you got stick, 7018, 6010. We can do all these different TIG modes.
Can you weld pipe too, like you just said?
Yeah. So you can weld out,
What?
I mean, they got a 6-inch, they got a 2-inch, depending on what variations you want to do. I mean, it's a cool machine.
This one looks super technological, bro, because the one over there at FabTech, I seen some at FabTech, and there were, I played with them a little bit, but this one seems like you could do lap joints and like you could do, you do pipe and all that. Man, this is super cool, bro.
Yeah.
This
No,
is really, really cool.
we've really invested in it, man. I mean, it's kind of where it's going, right? I mean, that's what guys like to do, man. It's a good way to train with it. I'll kind of show you. So you actually come in here, you get to pick where you want to weld at. So
you got shipyards, you got contracts.
Got a military base, you got a motorsports shipbuilding. We'll just go shipbuilding, man. We'll do set up our polarity for our machine, and then it takes us into the actual virtual reality. So it grades it here on this screen, actually gives you a score. So it's cool for classrooms and whatnot. You can actually train, get in a little competition with your friends, man.
Career fairs too, man, will be excellent for these high school kids.
100%.
So a lot of the times, Well2 Family, when you go to high schools, and a lot of the times a lot of students are like, I don't really know what to do, and this is gonna pop out at them at first sight. It looks like a gaming system. A lot of people are gamers nowadays. So, but when they see, and while we have them here, they're gonna be trying it out. They're gonna be welding, and then at that moment, you can tell them what you can make in welding. What's the welding like? This is a big drive for welding in this time right now. So this will be essentially a good thing for career fairs or anything. But as far as getting somebody into the welding, this will be good. As far as testing too, even testing before you even test.
Yeah, 100%.
A test before a test.
Yeah, you got a guy comes in and says he can weld. You go, okay, go on here. He kind of shows you that he knows what he's doing. He's got that memory. He's got the basics down, right?
Basics down,
before he actually starts welding.
Exactly. So it's a test before a test, right? So say a guy knows, I've been MIG welding it's a MIG welding job. I've been MIG welding for 13 years, cool. But sometimes words speak louder than words. I guess that's saying whatever it's called. Actions speak louder than the words, right? So he's like, okay, well, can you show me here? And if he starts doing like, you know what I mean? Well, obviously he doesn't know what he's doing. So not only that, you saved material before he even went out there. So I think this is a great, man. This is 100%. Cool, bro.
No fumes. No, you're not welding. You're not wasting consumables, materials. 100%.
Yeah, nice, brother. Cool. Well, man, I appreciate you. Can you run one real quick?
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah, let me see it. Run one, bro.
I'm gonna show you guys actually what I'm seeing here. So I'm gonna put this hood on, and then you guys will see kind of what I'm seeing as well. So I mean, you can kind of see as I look around. You got a 6-pack over there. I got my actual coupon right down here.
Nice.
I got my stinger right here. So you can kind of see here. I got my stick rod. Cool thing about the stick setup is there's actual motor in here. So as I weld, it retracts. So it makes you kind of understand that stick's burning. You're actually gonna have to push in right as you're welding.
Yeah.
So let me get in here, and I'll just run it out for a little bit.
All right, sweet. Nice.
So I'll show you that, and then kind of coming back to it, I can show you.
So we just got a lap joint tutorial.
Yeah, lap joint right there, right? So, and then it kind of comes in here and scores you. Obviously, I didn't finish that out, so it's not going to give me a very good score here, right? But it gives me an 18, but it shows you kind of as you're going, it'll give you a full score. That's out of 100, but like I said, it kind of rates you. And then at the end of the day, say if you had this in a classroom, you were welding it out, you had one student on here, they can put in a thumb drive, plug it in, they can pull all their tests out at the end of the day. So if you said, hey, I need you today, I need you to run out 10 lap joints, 10 T joints. The students could come in here, plug in, pull out that, give it to you, and then you go, okay, you did all 20 welds, and you get your grade on that.
Wow.
I mean, there's a lot to do with this, man, and this is, to me, I think this is just the beginning, you know?
Oh yeah, for sure. Just beginning
going,
before they get out there into the real thing.
Yeah.
But this is very, very cool, brother. I appreciate you. Yeah, man, you should have shown me this when you first got in here, dude, man. So this is cool. This is real cool.
Save the best for last, man.
Yeah, I would save the best for last, for sure. But all right, brother. Again, I appreciate you.
Hey, absolutely, man. I'm glad you came out.
Which way is it? Is it this way?
It's this way. This way.
This way, right? This way. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Gotta represent, right?